Hey traders, welcome to episode 372 of the show. Really appreciate it. Day stream, night stream, nothing's really changed, man. Nothing's changed at all. You know, we had that crazy wick, and low point to high point, 62% retrace, right? Talked to Larley about the wick, what he thought about it, right? He just said he's thinking that was a good area where there were a lot of orders, right? The FOMO shorts and the entries, and those orders all got filled down here. Stop losses, stop hunt, whatever. Okay, so 618 back to that first impulse area before wicking right back up, and that's about it. That's about it. Back above the down sloping trend line of the channel we were in since November, and back kind of, you know, above the upsloping support, the structure we've been developing since February 8th, when we made our first impulse up after the Gartley wedge double bottom. All right, so that's about it, man. Interesting day. Golden retrace wick. That's it, man. All right. Don't know how long I'm gonna be live tonight. Okay. And there you go, man. There you go. Another crazy wick. 60 minutes. Uncanny. And you kept running. You ran back inside the triangle crazy enough. $1 off a measured move of the symmetrical triangle. Crazy, man. You know, low, lower, low. You did get some divergence there, and you moved the upside, but no higher highs yet. You gotta wait on Bitcoin for that. You know, Bitcoin owns Ethereum, so you know, we broke out of the, well, you know, first off, telling the story, we broke out of the downsloping channel. Okay, once we were really out of it, we were gone. Multiple impulses, really one impulse, two impulse, three impulse, rule of three, right? And after we hit right around that 100% retrace area, sold off. Bitcoin did the same on the tether pair. It didn't quite make the 100% retrace on the Coinbase pair. So anyway, you back tested with this consolidation pattern. You back tested the bottom trend line of the ascending broadening wedge that you broke out of bearishly, and you figured you would just dump, but of course it's never that easy, right? Never that easy when there's uncertainty, right? So that's the beauty of swing trading, man. You wait for way more coinciding variables. Didn't get enough here, not many or any, really. There were actually, we discussed contradicting variables, right? Bear pole, bear flag, is it? Well, guess what, man? When there's uncertainty, indecision, there's contradicting variables, you're gonna get wicks like that, okay? You just, it's not as clear, so you wait for clarity with the indicators and price action. So that's it, man. Pretty cool, dude. Pretty cool. $1 off a measured move of a pattern before running back up. That's it. That's it. You can make an adjustment to the bottom trend line now to maybe include it, and then you're looking at some sort of, I don't know, downsloping channel with broadening bottom. What? Yep. Some sort of, oh wow, descending broadening wedge. Interesting, right? There you go, man. We'll see what happens within the parameters of these two trend lines that are down sloping and diverging. All right. See how far we retraced here. The major low to high, we retraced. Oh, would you look at that golden retrace of 128.23. There you have it. Just like Bitcoin, following Bitcoin. There you go, man. So common retrace zone is right here for Ethereum. So we'll see if we can really reverse our price action and get some buying pressure to come in to break us above the downsloping resistance so we could run up again. Okay, if it's to happen. I don't know. So XRP. funny enough, you know, they're just same iteration of this analysis. The falling wedge on the 60-minute, we broke out of it. We had a triangle here, we broke out the upside, didn't hit a measured move of it, never did. But you know, one thing we were saying was from the high point to the low point of the wedge, your first common area, the first common retrace was the 382 35.4 cents. We discussed multiple times for the breakout. That's where we were, our minimum. We got it. Ever since then, it was a double top, lower high. Coinbase, Pro News ran up again, made a lower high than your previous highs, and sold off. And hey, good news is you're holding above this upsloping support to the bottom trend line of the little parallel channel that we're in. All right. So, hey man, if you're swing trading a falling wedge, you're still in it. You're still in business somewhat. You really are. I mean, dude, your targets, the real targets, the primary targets for the falling wedge, bread and butter, high to low, 50% retrace, 62% retrace, 37.5 cents, 39.7 cents. I don't know if we'll get there, man. Maybe you will, maybe you won't, but we know we've hit the first area of the golden zone, which is the 382. Again, 35.4 cents. I think I saw someone request Aeon. Yeah, we'll look at it for sure, man. All right. Okay. So Mr. Cantemo, Score Music. Yeah, long time no see. Glad you made it back, man. What's up, Rick Schmitz, Joshua Robinson, Joe Ray, Hey Cop for Crypto, Kang Logan, Mag Carl, Hector Santos, JD. Yeah, Aeon got it. Whoever asked. Oh, Rick Schmitz. Yeah, dude. Aeon, got you, man. Hey, True Stoner, Brian Griffin, Peter Pan Morgan, what's up, dude? Hey, Landcap, welcome, man. Evan Matthews, anyone know about this New York Stock Exchange uncertainty? Man, it's just, you're just incrementally going up every day on the major indices, just barely. Like, where's the volume? It just seems so manipulated. But hey, man, I mean, maybe we're gonna hit the 786 on those major indices from the major high to the major low. You'll hit a 78% retrace, which we're still on the way. We've exceeded the golden retrace, 62% retrace on the stock market on all the indices for the most part, but we're just not quite there. So we could be getting to the 78% retrace, which is a little bit higher. So Drew's kicking it, yeah. Pacific Gas and Electric, yeah, man, they were scrubs and then they weren't. Yep, they were not held liable for that forest fire, dude. Right, so they pumped back up. So P Miller, hey Shaylin, so Gabriel. Gabriel's in Montana, man. Hello, dude. Hope you're staying warm up there. Hey Dill. Hey 1G Project, man. Good to see you, dude. What's up, Eric Wynn? V, you want V? Alright. What's up, Francisco? Just getting through chat. What's up, Nix of Hate? Thanks, Blyden. Sorry, man. I appreciate the kind words, man. News unit. No, I wouldn't say that crypto at all is in any sort of bull market, dude. Sorry. So Cliff Martin, man. What's up, Jurgen? Okay. Yeah, sure. Look at it. What's up, Alessandro? So is that Zers. Okay. Let's go to Aeon. I don't know, man, we haven't looked at it in a minute, so let's see what happens. Crazy, man, crazy. I don't know, we just had already a structure, you know, we had already broken out like all the other S coins and did the same thing here, but now we've broken some sort of downsloping resistance, but we just continue to make some lower lows. So I wonder if there's going to be anything telling on the daily here. Jeez, man. I mean, you even had divergence. How insane is that, man? What a joke. I mean, you're actually technically getting another level of bullish divergence on Aeon on the daily, which is a pretty significant thing. Wow, man. Okay. Oh, that's a mess, dude. It's a mess. I'm sure you're probably soon to be breaking to the upside with this kind of stuff going on, right? Low, lower low, lowest low. And look how small the lower lows are. They're just barely making lower lows now. It's just like they're just like running out of sellers, it seems like. They want to push the price down so much they just can't. It's just awful. So I don't know, man. RSI divergence, blah, whatever, man. Okay, so daily divergence on the MACD is good. Not much else is better though. Let me see if I can replot this. Let's try the bottom. Doesn't make much sense to me. I mean, guess we could maybe look at it like that. Okay. I mean, I don't really even know, man. It's kind of weird. It's like you broke out, right? You broke a downsloping resistance, so you would think that there'd be some sort of move to the upside at some point, but sure, you can just keep on selling off. I mean, what can we do? I think we could fib maybe from the low point to the high point. There you go. You're at the one. Okay, so triple MACD bullish divergence at a 1272 fib extension finally. All right. Reason to believe Aeon might have an opportunity to pivot here. And then if it does, you get from the high point to low point fib and see if we can get a 23% retrace or something. So there you go, man. A little bit of a, you know, a little bit of hope for Aeon. Okay. That's it, man. Give me a sec. Well, you know, like Visa, like everything else, they had these nice velocity trends. They broke out of them. That's okay. I mean, they broke out, but they had to. I mean, it was almost like a flag, probably another descending, broadening wedge like the rest, right? I mean, beautiful, beautiful uptrend. We could plot if we want. I mean, I think that you broke out of the uptrend. Look, November, December 2016. Presidential election, boom. Y'all remember that. So we'll just start with that. I'm not sure how really big a deal it is. All right. So I'm not sure if I'll be plotting for the top side or not. So you're not getting like any hardline respect there. I don't like that. Either way, no matter how you plot it, you fell out of the channel and you developed a pattern that we've seen all over this freaking market, man. Okay. Yeah, I guess it was just a channel. It wasn't broadening at all. No, not at all. That's cool, man. Whatever. So you had a down-sloping channel and you busted out of it. That's great, dude. I mean, the arguments could be made that you wanted to adjust here, right, on that wick, like that. If that's the case, yeah, you could say maybe descending broadening wedge, right? But after making the adjustments, either way, you broke it, you back tested it, you're running again, and you're getting close to that bottom trend line of the crazy upsloping channel that we were in. Okay. Great Momo shift. Fibbing from the high point to low point. What's going on? Hey, look at the inverted hammer, man. Great inverted hammer reversal pattern right there. And wow, yep, above the 786 retrace. So you are approaching $148.45. That's another fib node that could act as resistance. Man, I'll tell you about Visa, dude. There's divergence, but you're holding on to a lot of momentum, a lot of positive momentum compared to some of the major indices that have lost tremendous amounts and are almost in neutral. So this thing just keeps on chugging along, man. Credit card payment processor, it's like number one. It's like the best, dude. Visa, man. So see what happens when we hit 148.45 or when we hit right around 150. It's a rounded psychological resistance, and it seems like it's right around the top trend line or the bottom trend line of the channel that we used to be in until we broke out of it, right? So there you go, man. Okay. I don't know how we could be getting very much divergence on XRP if we're making a higher low. What's up, coin linked, man? Hey, DJ Joe Public, man. What's up, Bob the Builder? Did you miss again? A bit of time? Yeah, dude, you missed it. You're screwed. Okay. We haven't looked at this in a minute. Thanks, B-Slice, man. Can't remember which one, though. That's right. Jeez, man, how insane. We got Litecoin that broke out of that crazy downsloping structure. And, you know, it ran, man, from major high to low. Retrace about 38% of the way, and you know, and we were at the top of that channel and had bearish divergence, and yep, that was it. Double top, dumped pretty hard. It was only like 13% on that dump day, and started consolidating, making higher lows than the previous lows, just off the heart line. Thanks, peace, man. So just bouncing along. Okay, top part. I love how we're respecting it, but just extending out the channel some. And at this point, man, it's just almost looking like an ascending, broadening wedge of some sort, right? Just a little bit, you know, anchor point 1 and 2 here, and then 1 and 2 that way, 2 upsloping divergent trend lines. Not really your most proper form of consolidation, right? Not at all. So I don't know, man. Still looks like a bear pull, bear flag. Even with the wick, you know, like Bitcoin's the same. Still looks like a bear pull bear flag. Just don't know it. Indecision, and there's just not that many coinciding variables right now. All you have is the bear flag, but you're holding support. Holding support. Alright, but hey man, nothing to complain about since we hit a 38% retrace, man, almost 50% retrace. I mean, what can you be mad about it? I mean, that's a golden zone of a, you know, the swing high of the structure we were in. It's pretty good, man. It's not bad. So if we were to hit a 50% retrace, it's 58.45, 618, 67 bucks. All right. So that's it, man. What's going on? Oh, interesting. Okay. I like the channel. I really do. Channel really helped us gain vision. But dude, look at that. It's pretty nice looking ascending broadening wedge, kind of like Ethereum, right? Great touches. Great touches up here. Wow. I like it, man. Okay. So maybe we just say that's what's going on. Wow. It's an exhibit meme. All right. Ascending broadening wedge within an ascending broadening wedge. Wow, man. Crazy. There's your Litecoin, dude. Okay. We're at the golden zone, so anything's possible at this point. You just better hope Bitcoin pivots and keeps running, but it's not showing a very good looking pattern for us, is it? Give me a sec. Interesting. I don't know, man. It's just like low liquidity S coin stuff, dude. Best way to look at it, okay? So good for you on your bread, dude. Alright, I don't know. It's just like you had down sloping stuff, you went sideways, started making higher lows, and yeah, you busted the upside, pumpy dump after pumpy dump, right? And you're back now somehow, some way after all this, back inside this horizontal line resistance. Wow. Big deal, man. Changing lives. Holy crap, dude. Would hardly call it Pundy coin a pump, dude. Hardly call it a pump, man. But it did break out to the upside, if y'all remember. If y'all remember, man. There's your Pundy, okay. So, yeah, man, we broke the down sloping structure, formed the symmetrical triangle, and we just had targets on both sides because it's a neutral pattern. That's what you do, the measure principle, and it broke out still outside of this little downslipping resistance, the top trend line of the symmetrical triangle. Okay, so just from your high point to low point of the structure, you're just at a 382. That's at 20 sats. So see if we can ever get there. The target would be around 26 sats. So that's it, man. I don't know, man. Okay, I'm having trouble focusing. I got a lot on my mind. So, I think what I'm just gonna do is get out of here. I appreciate y'all. Thanks for coming by. Just wanted to give y'all an update on Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, and then a few others that y'all requested. Alright, so just not feeling good. So I'll be back tomorrow. Love y'all. Until next time, respect the TA.